Frankly, I have taken more than usual to record this video because not just this was the introduction, but I could not make out that why the womanhood was so extraordinary. Hi, my name is Dr. Roshni Dave, and I would like to take a journey of a weaver. Have you ever thought why being a girl is so privileged? I know, on the contrary, so many times girls might have thought that being a girl is just a disguise. But me, I have always taken this as a blessing. And I will tell you why. Being born and giving the birth, it was a complete cycle. And now, I will extraordinarily say that this journey was not easy. But at every point of time, I thought that I can reveal this on a larger way, and this may affect a lot of women who are facing this kind of problems which I have faced myself. Because being a woman, when there was a starting of period, I had some confusions. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस मन में आते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है. Getting there and survive that. After that क्या होता है? Irregularity. कुछ और bumps. Then comes the marriage and conceiving. Then again there were so many questions. Getting conceived was easy? Yes. But that was comfortable? I would say no. Even for those who do not face it conceiving easily, problems आते हैं बहुत सारे, again questions होते हैं, but no reliable answer. Getting to know your body after getting conceived, a huge toll on your mental and physical health. तीनों trimesters में अलग अलग फेस को अपने आप में सहन करना, उससे ऊपर आके उसको प्रिविलेज बना के बेबी को बर्थ देना, अगेन adjusting to the new body, lots of questions. After adjusting there, you'll face perimenopause, again a big toll. Physical and mental health get suffered. But after perimenopause and menopause, when you are completely free, you might feel useless because you don't know how the age and the physique will give the support to you. Because पेरीमेनोपोज और मेनोपोज की वजह से जो भी चेंजेस आते हैं हार्मोनली बॉडी में, यू माइट नॉट बी स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ. एंड जब ये स्ट्रेंथ नहीं होती है, तब क्या कर सकते हैं? यू हैव नो आइडिया. कैसे स्ट्रेंथ गेन करना है? यू हैव नो आइडिया. सो एब्सोल्यूट जर्नी was with so many questions but very less answers. So many confusions but very less support. तो आज इसी चीज़ों को encounter करने, address करने के लिए I am building up this community of YouTube channel where every doubt, every question, every suffering will be addressed. Because I don't want a womanhood to be the suffering. I want it to be a blessing as I am facing it. No doubt there was a hard way learning, but here I am to make it easy for you. And I am promising you that every taboo is a very useless argument, because you were supposed to be the power. You are a Shanti. And for that, I would urge every one of you to combine, to let's get together and make this community a worth of being a woman. Thank you so much. I will see you in every video with a lot of different kind of topics and lot of different doubts. Make sure that your doubt is addressed, and I will be very, very happy to help you. Just comment down whatever you are facing. Thank you so much.